Good day mga kablis. This is Bel Garcia, your property advisor from Makatangay Realty. So we're here at Hamana Homes located along the highway of Magalang Mabalacat Road and near Clark International Airport. So I want to show you our best-selling Damiana Duplex. So the Miana Duplex, it has 80 square meter lot area, and this one, as you can see, it's already expanded. So it has 75 square meter for floor area. So even though meron na siyang bedroom dito sa ground floor, we still have the car's parking space. So kasya dito, kahit yung mga bigger like Fortuner. And at the same time, meron pa rin tayong space dito sa front. Tamang-tama to kapag sa mga gustong magtanim or sa mga plantita at plantito. Now, let's go inside. Okay, so we're here inside. As you can see, we have high ceiling 3.2. And napaka-aliwalas, napaka-bright kasi marami tayong mga wide windows. Ito yung living area. Tamang-tama lang siya for small family or parang aesthetic style, minimalist na mga furnitures. I want to show you one of the best part or most of our client favorite part is yung magkaroon sila ng ground floor na bedroom. To tamang-tama to sa mga senior or sa mga meron kasamang mga parents or ayaw na maakyat baba. So ito yung master bedroom. So meron siyang sliding door here. So pagising mo, kung may mga tanim-tanim ka dito, diba? Buksan mo lang yan and makikita mo na yung mga halaman mo. And the good thing about is meron siyang toilet and bath. Oh, meron ba din siyang walk-in closet. So, meron ka pang space for closet. So, ito yung toilet and bath. So, this is all included. The tiles, the shower, everything. And as you can see, it's branded as well. They have Ativa and HCG. Okay. Now, let's proceed dito sa dining area nila. Dining area, tamang-tama ang 4 chair at pwede pa siyang gawin hanggang 6 chair. And itong back end natin, in-extend nila yung kitchen para maging maaliwalas. So this one is included, this one is not, this is only for design purposes. Then meron pa rin siyang space for service area or laundry area. Meron siyang powder room. Everything is branded. Now, let's go upstairs. Ang maganda dito sa stairs nila, since made concrete na and then steel, na hindi siya narrow, friendly user, safe siya for oldies and sa mga children. And pumapasok yung natural lighting because etong style nila parang cathedral. Hindi mo na kailangan maglagay ng light dyan. So we have 3 bedrooms. I want to show you the first bedroom here. First bedroom for single bed or sa may mga kid dyan or going office room. At the same time, meron pa rin siyang space for closet. Now, for second bedroom, it's actually the same. So, meron tayong 2 big or wide windows here. Pwede sa mga kids, office room, at the same time, meron din tayong space for closet. Meron siyang common toilet and bath. Homogeneous na yung tiles and then naka-tiles na yan hanggang sa taas. So everything is included. And the master bedroom. Master bedroom, pwede ang king size, queen size. At the same time, meron pa rin tayong space for closet or any small table here. Meron tayong isang wide window and etong balcony. Napakaganda, no? Kapag meron tayong sariling balcony. Punta tayo dito sa favorite part, which is the balcony. Napaka-aliwalas ng balcony. Kasya ang 2 chairs, 3 chairs, and small 1 table. So, ang ganda dito, no? Kung meron kang balcony talaga. Gusto mo coffee, if you're working from home, meron pa rin fresh air.